Yeah, hi guys, good evening. In the between, this class also will be available in the YouTube after the class completion. If in case, if anybody will be miss the yesterday class, just go to the VLR training in the YouTube channel. Here they will upload the video. You can check it out. Okay. Coming to this, yesterday class is completely on the automotive embedded testing. What is the automotive embedded testing? What is embedded testing, and how it will be impact the embedded systems will be impact in the automotive domain. How it will be controlled, everything, and also some different types of embedded systems. Also we discussed yesterday. Coming to the today's class, what are the types of jobs available in the embedded systems? Like we have the different types of jobs will be available, but we are providing the testing courses which relevant jobs will be happen for you. Like I will show you that. Types of jobs in automotive embedded testing. First of all, embedded software test engineer. It is relevant to as a test engineer, which is like manual testing. Like it has the one test pen setup. They will be arrange it and they will test the executed test cases which we are written according to the specifications. Those and all they will do right. Here, these engineers are responsible for designing and executing test cases to verify the functionality of embedded software components, ensuring they meet the specified requirements. It is as a like if you have the mobile in your hand, you will check each and every component. Like for example, you will check the software camera and that megapixels, portrait modes, photos. These are the requirements of the component. If you are connected to the cluster, you will check each and every element like speedometer, odometers, seat belt alerts, and some warning indicators, engine fuel oils. These are all the components which we are test with respect to hardware. That is called as an embedded software test engineer. With as an manually. Here we are testing the manually. That type of role is called as an embedded software test engineer. Here, our course, after completion of CanoE, Capel scripting, everything will be completed. After completion of CanoE, we are providing the project, right? That configuration project, we are tested as in manually. We can discuss how the manual testing will be happen, how the test cases need to return, what is the test case template, how we need to analyze and to positive mode and the negative mode of the test cases. Okay, everything will be discussed at the discussion of project end. Same thing, it's coming to the test automation engineer. Here, we are using two types of test scripts. But we are discussing only one test script, that is the Capel scripting. But in the automotive domain, they are used another scripting language that is also Python. Nowadays, it's using now. Okay, the Capel also using. We are discussing about the Capel scripting, which they are smaller elements. Like it's not a bigger element. Like it is not to the safety issues. But if you need to walk on, if you need to test the LEDs, LEDs means telltales. They will call as in telltales here in the automotive domain. They need to test with the expect to test scripts, automate test scripts, and it will be generate the HTML report automatically. That type of job role is called as a test automation engineer. After completion of manual testing in our project, we'll teach you how telltales need to automate by using Capel script. Okay, that Capel scripting test script we will teach you, and you need to execute that some of the test scripts also in your own way. Okay, and coming to the integration test engineer, it is also a role which is completely dependent with the developers. Developers will be divided, like if in case some developer will be working in the cluster, he will divide it into three different types of modules. For example, one module will be working for gauges, another the developer will be working for the telltales, another developer will be working for the warnings. That period of time, they will merge the code. That is called as an integration. Three members code will need to integrate, and the integrated software need to test. That type of engineer is called as an integration test engineer. Sometimes developer will do it. Who is the integrated test engineer? Like the all the test scripts will be added integrated themselves, and that candidate will be test automatically. Okay, he will check the whole specifications according to the coding system. It will be execute or not. And also here coming to the when we are discussing at the real time, we can flash our software in three different modes also. If in case I told you right, we have the three developers development that three different types of code. We can flash those code by using JTAG. Yesterday one candidate told that relevant about JTAG. Okay, in the message have you observed? I think so. That candidate, that JTAG or some harness capacity, they will flash to the particular module and execute the test cases. Okay, and EC flashing, everything we can do it, particularly flash and particular module also. That period of time we can check the integration testing also. Okay, and like if you are working for some particular like particular module, uh, otherwise you can three codes will be merged and they will be provided on USB device. That USB device we can select our merged code, that is the integrated code. We need to provide that USB, then we are connected to our hardware, it will be flashed automatically. Okay, that thing will be happen also in integration testing. After the code will be flashed automatically, then we will test the integration test cases. Okay, that candidate is called as an integration test engineer. Okay, these are the three types of test engineers happen. And coming to the next thing, hill test engineer. Hill test engineer, like with respect to the hardware. Like for example, somebody will be connected to the cluster. That cluster he is called as a cluster test engineer. ADAS system, ADAS test engineer. Infotainment test engineer. It's a depend upon the hardware. That period of time your job role will be changed sometimes. Okay, some in some organization they will be provide software test engineer like that, but at the particular hardware will be working. That's like hill hardware in the loop. Here when we are connected to the hill setup, I will tell you that hill setup, how it will be connected, how we need to simulate the whole vehicle. Like here we are doing the testing through the simulation. Our hardware, everything will be connected through the simulator. Those hardware systems will test uh, in the hardware in the loop. Okay, that type of test engineer is called as a hardware in the loop test engineer. And here we can do as a manual testing, and we can use Capel scripting for automation also. It's a depend upon the testing. Same thing, ADAS test engineer here also. We are testing the specifications of ADAS. Okay, ADAS systems. That period of time you are called as an ADAS test engineer. Here also we can do automation and also manual. Same thing for infotainment. Here also, which engineers will be verify the functionalities of infotainment systems. Those test engineers are called as an infotainment test engineers. Here also we can do as an manually and automation also. Okay, these are the different types of testing roles in the automotive embedded testing. After that, like lot of candidates will be in after the we are working as a test engineer, sir. After that, whatever the future will be happen, you can survey maybe 2 to 3 years of 2 to 3 years. You will get the more knowledge about the hardware. When you have more knowledge about the car as an vehicle which you worked, if in case if you're working for trucks, you get more knowledge about the truck. If you're working for the Volvo buses, or if you're working for the cars, that period of time, when you are getting the more knowledge, that period of time you learn embedded c embedded c or python, then you can upgrade yourself into the development. When you went to the development, your life will be like it's higher end. Here main thing, the recession will be not happen in the embedded system. The main thing, you know very well in particular hardware. If in case myself, I'm working at my organization from past 3 years. Okay, from past 3 years, I'm working at the particular organization. Here, if in case anything will be happen, they will not do as a recession. They will not terminate me because of I know the more skills about my particular hardware which I am developing now. When you know like that, you are the preferable first candidate. Okay, if in case if they will be terminate, they need to replace that candidate. It will be take minimum 1 year. Again, 1 year need to waste the time, and the project will be happen very slow. That's why any candidate has the particular knowledge on particular hardware. They will not terminate them. They will utilize. Okay, and next thing here in the automotive domain, in the past, like in the past 5 years or 3 years 4 years back, they doesn't know is a role will be available as like a automotive embedded testing. Yeah, hi Tulsi Kumar. Yeah, tell me.
Rahul, this is only for ECD candidates or CSC candidates.
No, I am from the mechanical. I already
Okay.
told you that.
Uh-huh.
Okay. First of all, I will tell you myself.
Okay.
I'm from the mechanical.
Okay.
First, my career has been started as a manual tester. Like I doesn't know anything about the triple E knowledge, EC knowledge, nothing. I doesn't know. Just I
Okay.
went to the organization. They given one bigger system. I'm
Mm-hmm.
just controlling everything.
Mm-hmm.
Just
Mm-hmm.
rotating the knobs and all everything. I
Mm-hmm.
doesn't know about the hardware and all.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I learned this canoe tool
Okay.
from my colleague.
This one is available for online or something else? The
Sorry,
Canary tool. The Canary tool will available on
I will
other.
provide you. Like I will provide you the canoe tool.
Okay.
But coming to the in the vector tools, they are very costly tools. It's like almost 1.5 2 lakhs the price.
Okay. Okay.
But we are providing the free tool with unlock. Everything will be unlocked. If in
Okay.
case the higher versions will be there, if you download that higher versions, it will be
Okay.
for student versions only. It will be
Okay.
not given all the requirements like everything will be not unlocked. Like if in case the database editing will be not unlocked, and also panel editor will be not available. Something
Mm-hmm.
will be
Mm-hmm.
missing at the higher range of higher versions when you are going to the student version. But when we are
Mm-hmm.
providing our Canary tool, it will be unlock everything, and you will
Okay.
be use every element also.
Mm. I want to know about one thing. We need to check about this. See, this particular heel test is there, na?
Yeah, yeah.
That's one you need to use for that particular device or something else. You need to check that one on that, right? Right?
Yes, yes, yeah. But hill testing, coming to the hill testing,
Mm-hmm.
we have the hill setup. I will show you that hill setup. That thing will be not happen, but in the canoe, how the
Mm-hmm.
in the canoe or D space, how it will be happen. That simulation
Okay.
we will show you.
Okay, fine. Sorry.
Okay, but
Mm-hmm.
in the detailing, when we are going to the, I'll show you that. This is the hill setup. Okay, here it's visible, right? Everything connections, everything will be there.
Yes, yes,
This is
yes.
one of the hill setup. We'll show
Mm-hmm.
you the real time hill setup
Mm-hmm.
directly with an
Mm-hmm.
every node, how they are connected, everything, cables, everything. I will show you that.
We just learn for that C languages from the basics only, na?
Yes, yes,
Mm-hmm. Just that is enough only for the C language. That's it. We
yes,
need to
yes,
learn
yes.
another few advanced scripting purpose. We learn for the Python, okay, C, okay. Later on, how what we learn.
Like in the future, you can learn embedded C. That's a embedded C and Python. It's a final destination for you, simply
Okay, okay,
because of when you monitor the development, most probably using Python or embedded C only.
okay, okay, fine.
If any hardware, anything. Just
Okay.
when firstly, like I'm also a developer, how I
Mm-hmm.
move on into like I doesn't know the hardwares, everything, then I manually after that I can learn canoe. In the canoe with test pen setup, I tested. After I move on into the development, I learn
Okay.
embedded C.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'm working at now also
It is
embedded C.
difficult or something else.
No, 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 it's not a difficult. I'm
Mm-hmm.
also mechanical background. I doesn't know anything about the pin sensors, nothing.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
When you are getting into the involvement in the work
Okay.
environment, it will be teach you everything.
Okay. Okay, fine. Right now, which organization you are working?
That thing will not. I will tell you in the personally,
Okay,
not now.
fine. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Fine, fine, fine. Sorry.
Is there anything?
Sorry.
Is there anything?
No, no, nothing else.
Okay. Yeah. Those are the major things. And next thing, like where like everybody will have the confusion about it's a 30 to 45 days. We'll learn the course, how it will be work on for some experienced candidates or some domain change candidates, how it will be helpful. Like you, everybody has that confusion. Okay, we'll be teach you from basical to advanced. It's confirmed, but the major thing, what you need to do, you need to practice yourself. If you learn something from the course, after that you need to practice those things. If you doesn't have the practice from every day, day by like if I completed today's class, then yeah, next day you are not completed that question or you are not practiced well, then you are also available same confusion only. Okay, that's the thing. Here I will show you that this is the Canary tool. This is the Canary tool. This is the Canary tool which we are creating and which we will simulated. This is the simulator tool, and this is the hill setup. One of the hill setup. Okay, like we will create everything. We'll create everything and something. We I When you are joining into the course, you just know some basic things about the car. It might be helpful for you. You can just go through the one car specification. You have some particular car specification, how the car will be work, how it will be communicate the safety issues and safety things. How what are the features of the car? You just learn it, those and all. Okay, it might be helpful for you when we are discussing about some elements, and I will teach you those things also. But you need to learn. It might be better. Most probably will teach you here. Each and every sensor will be there, right? The indicators, battery, decibels, and these fuel gauges, seat belts, everything will teach you. Okay. These are called as an LEDs. And some LEDs will be shown as an red color, those called as an warnings. Okay. Warnings we will teach you, and these are called as an gauges. And warnings, sometimes it will be blink. The periodical time it will be 1 second. For 5 times it will be blink. Like those communication will be happen. Okay, that blinking concepts also we are discussing. We will tell you how to write the capital code for that blinking the LED. Okay, how we need to activate the LED after 10 seconds. How we need to switch on the left indicator. How we need to switch on the right indicator. How the auto high beam light LED will be activated. How speedometer gauges will be need to activate. This everything we will discuss you. Okay, and we will teach you every part also. The main thing you need to focus yourself. You need to learn like this type of image, right? Just learn some 10 LEDs. What is the turn signals, high beam light, anti-lock braking system? Because of these LEDs will be available in the Canopy tool. When I am showing this Canopy tool, I will tell you, for example, master lighting. Then same thing will be happen for slip indicator also. Okay, that comparison it's needed. I tell you that questions. Then you can use this LED, replace this LED. You can replace yourself also. Okay, like seat belt, oil pressure. These are the indicators for blinking conditions. Blink. Okay, if I teach you one blink, one LED blink after 5 seconds, the LED need to blink after 10 seconds. LED will be automatically turn off. These type of codes, how we need to return in the capsules code, I will teach you. That thing you need to use some other LEDs. That much knowledge you need to get in yourself only. Okay, that's why every day you need to practice. You just provide 1 hour for these classes after completion of this class. Okay, then you will get pro automatically. And also I will tell you, like if you find out our past batches, like we are completed almost 11 batches, you can connect with 8th, 9th, whatever the batches. If you have our friends will be available, then just connect with them. I will like after completion of my course also, like if they needed job assistances, interview question and all, everything, everything I will be follow up. And if in case sometimes some candidate will be right, tomorrow I have the class, I have the interview, sir. Can you rewind all the classes and concepts, and what are the interview questions will be happen? Can you discuss with us, sir? Like they will ping the message, and that evening we will discuss all the questions also, all the interview questions and all we discuss before the interview also. That much of support we are providing you. Okay. Yeah. Is there anything?
Total 11 batches. How many got placed, man?
Mm, Exactly, I don't know. The first batch candidates are very low. It's 4 members only. Then
Okay.
after it's increased, and the past 2 batches also it's low.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Before the batches, who are following up, those candidates are selected. I'm not following everybody. After the course completion, right? If you are interested, every day you will ping you, right?
Yes, yes,
Those
yes.
candidates most probably selected. Almost it's 15 to 20 candidates has been selected.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, some candidates, I think they left. I don't know
Mm-hmm.
uh, exact reason.
Okay.
I will tell you. It's like 100 of candidates, the 90 candidates has been selected. Like I will tell you, but it's not
Yes,
a
yes.
reason. Who has the interested candidates? Those has been selected. Apart from, I don't know remaining things. I don't know. They are not interested, or some guys asked something proxy, those and all. I never supported them
Mm-hmm.
there them because of when I'm giving the proxy, when I'm giving something prompting something, they are
Mm-hmm.
depending on us. They will depend
Okay.
us. They
Okay.
doesn't know everything. They doesn't learn anything.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
If the
They
one
only blind. They only full
blindly fix
admit only
ourselves.
for that guy will help that
Ah,
total interview or something else, na?
yeah. I told you like before the
Mm-hmm.
interview, you can call me. I will support
Mm-hmm.
you. How we
Yeah.
need to interact with the how self intro need to tell that how the
Mm-hmm.
questions will be happen. How those support I will provide you. After the
Okay.
interview also I will contact us. These questions are they asked. I
Mm.
answer these questions. I doesn't know about these questions. Can you explain us? Like first interview will be failure. Second interview also failure. Then third interview you will learn right automatically because
Yes.
of the first interview experience you got it, second interview experience you got it, how will be think these questions are repeating, and I need to
Yes.
focus these questions. I need to I
Mm.
will give you some like I will give providing answers and all. After that you will get the confident automatically. Then you
Mm-hmm.
will be crack easily. The fourth interview, fifth interview you can crack it right in yourself.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
For example,
And
I have
one thing I want to know. Yeah, one thing I want to know. The way how we present the interview, that session will be going to take like that to classes, na?
like after
See.
yeah. That thing will be happen. Like interview questions will be come like this, everything. But after
Okay.
completion of, I will provide the mock interviews also. Like
Okay. Fine. Okay.
because of mock interviews, I
Mm-hmm.
will not take any questions. My colleagues will be there. They are taken
Okay.
your mock interview. Like if you
Okay.
are
Fine.
prepared, sir, I prepared everything.
Mm-hmm.
Can you take a mock interview? Like we have the two mock interviews.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, first mock interview, it's completely on the basics of
Okay.
embedded systems. Then if you are worked, like if you are prepared very well, then they will go at the deep at the first section only. Okay, if
Okay.
it's not prepared well, then they will give the feedback and prepare for second interview.
Okay.
That much of support will provide you compulsory.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
the thing in your interest. If in
Okay.
case if you doesn't have the interest, I will take the mock interview, right? You will not
Yes.
tell anything.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, that's why I after completion of course I will ping you on message when the guys are prepared. Just ping me in
Okay.
personal. I will take the mock interview at that weekend.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay, that those candidates I am taking the mock interviews.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Sure. Just give me a 2 minutes.
Sure, man.
Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Is there anything if you have any doubts regarding how the course will be happen and how the classes will be implemented, everything. If anybody any has the doubts, just raise your hand and share unmute yourself and ask the every question and all. We'll teach you everything.
Sorry, can you repeat it once? Sorry.
Like, is there any queries relevant to our course content, or what are the types of jobs happen, and what is the types of project will be providing us? Like, if you have any doubts,
Not else. I don't know really. In future, I want to learn that this language, na? Then only I'm going to ask few more questions.
yeah, I will tell you that capable scripting and all everything. But I'm asking about now
In general way,
who
right? In general way, in general way.
you just learn these things. Like these are the LEDs. Just know about some basic LED things because of you need to answer those questions which we are getting from the interviewer. They will concentrate how you will be test AHB LED, how you will be test the warning indicator. Like these type of questions you will get from them. Those things you need to tell yourself, right? That's why you just learn these all the LEDs. We can practice each LED in the capable scripting. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And have you watched at the yesterday's video? And is there any queries relevant to yesterday's video and today's video?
No, yesterday I didn't see this one actually. Yesterday's video I didn't see.
Okay. You got it link, right? Just
Yeah.
in the link, you have the YouTube link also. Just go
Okay.
through it.
Okay.
It's everything will be discussed in Telugu only. Okay.
Okay.
Some candidates has been interested to in English. That's why we are discussing in the today's class as in English.
No issues,
If
man.
the majority person who will be decided to English or Telugu, then we will tell you that thing. Like if in case English or Telugu,
Okay.
it
No
depend
problem.
upon the majority people. After the classes, who will be join.
Okay. The fees, all thing we going to pay and what on the time only, na?
Yeah.
Once time one at the time only we need to settlement, huh?
It's a relevant to course, right? Course amount, right?
Yes.
Exactly. Just contact the Mohan. I don't know exactly what will be happen. He will be collect half of the amount. After that, it will be happen like just contact who will be provided link, right? Just contact to the Mohan. He will tell you the
Okay.
how the fee structure will be available.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and how much of fees, everything. He will be tell you that,
Okay.
and he will be provide you to recording we are providing the recording classes. Yeah, it's cloud. It will be 1 year available for free. Okay, recording classes will be also we are providing. After that, we are providing every
We
documentation.
couldn't download
And
that those cloud videos, right?
we can't able to download. I think so.
Okay.
To be frank, I never saw that cloud. He will be handling everything.
Okay.
Just ask him. We can't able to download. I think because if he will be downloaded, then it will be go getting from everybody.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so that I think it's not able to download, and it will be available for 1 year. After
O-
that, also we like if you are getting the job at the point at the position, it will be available.
Okay.
After getting the job, you will be not observed, right? 1,000 all. You will need to upgrade yourself, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And just go through our previous videos. Previous videos also available in the YouTube. Just search in the YouTube VLR training.
This is not a YouTube, right?
VLR trailing Rahul. Just you search it. It will be visible all my videos. These are all my videos. This is one is yesterday's video. It's 21 hours ago, and this one is past video. These are 1 year ago videos. Just go through all the videos. 11 months. Okay, this is our YouTube channel. This is VLR training. You can go and search the Rahul name or automotive embedded testing. You can search it yourself and it will be visible all the videos. Can go through the videos and all. Just know what we are teaching. After that, you will be get the confident. Then you can join us. Okay. And if
But
in case
what day you going to start that class?
I think it's tomorrow or day after tomorrow he will plan it.
Mm-hmm.
After that we will get continually, but we in the weekend Saturday Sunday will be not available the classes. When we are discussing about real time classes, that period of time Saturday and Sunday classes will be available. And also one more thing, if in case in the week I will be not available, if in case of my emergency purpose I will be available at the office, that type of situation I will take that class at the weekend.
Okay.
Okay. If you have any course relevant or something personal questions, just you got the one number, that is the Mohan. He will put the conference with me. He will give the clarity about everything. Okay. Yeah. We'll catch up at tomorrow or day after tomorrow. He will plan it and he will remind you.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye. And good night.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good night.